Hi, this is Nayumi Cee speaking. Ngayong araw na to, gagawa tayo ng appointment letter. First time ko rin gumawa ng appointment letter. At kaya ako gagawa nito dahil merong nag-request sa atin na isang avid viewer. Ang name niya ay si Miss Lani Umake. So sabi niya, paano daw ba gumawa ng appointment letter? That's why gagawa ko ng step-by-step guide with sample na rin. So, sana po, Miss Lani, mapanood mo tong video na to para maging guide sa'yo to. And maging guide na rin doon sa iba na gusto rin gumawa ng appointment letter. So, umpisa na natin. Unang-una, syempre, kailangan natin masagot ang katanungan na ano ang appointment letter. So, meron tayo yung dalawang definition dito. At magkaiba rin kasi yung purpose ng dalawang to. Pero magpo-focus tayo sa pangalawang meaning. Kasi ang unang meaning is letter of appointment is sent to welcome that lucky person on board. So, nangyayari to kapag yung superior mo or yung boss mo is nakita ka na nag-excel ka among other employees or among other co-workers mo, then inofferan ka niya ng isang position. Then, or in-appoint ka niya sa isang position. Then, magbibigay siya sa'yo ng letter of appointment. At ang letter of appointment na yon ay nakapaloob yung designation mo, yung rules ng company itself. So, medyo malayo siya doon sa request ng ating avid viewer na yon na si Miss Lani. So, ang request niya ay magpo-fall dito sa pangalawang meaning, which is appointment letters are also the letters written to set up a meeting with anyone. So, para siyang meeting appointment, right? Pwede kang mag-send ng letter sa iyong manager, mapakliyente mo pa yan, kasosyo sa negosyo, or even supervisor. At ang purpose ng appointment letter is of course to discuss official matters. Okay? So, ang una is para sa pag-appoint sa isang trabaho or bagong tungkulin. Ang pangalawa naman is mag-request ng meeting. Okay? Meeting or discussion. Okay? So, next. Syempre, ni-research ko na rin kung ano nga ba ang meaning ng appointment itself. Okay, so, yes, dalawa lang talaga ang lumabas na pinaka-main na meaning ng appointment. So, appointment is an arrangement to meet someone at a particular time and place. So, mas maiintindihan natin to. So, parang usapan nyo ng isang tao na mag-usap sa isang lugar or sa specific period of time na nabanggit sa letter. At ang pangalawang meeting is an act of appointing, assigning a job, or position to someone. So, same lang din ang definition na binigay ko kanina, pero mas maganda to kasi mas maikli, mas clear, mas gets natin, di ba? So, move forward na tayo sa parts ng letter of appointment. So, just like any other letter, meron din namang parts ang ating letter of appointment. And of course, letter of appointment is a professional letter. So, hindi mawawala ang date, okay? Yung petsa kung kailan mo isasubmit or ipapadala yung letter na yon sa recipient. And after that, name and address of recipient. Kailangan alam mo kung sino yung ka-meeting mo. Siyempre, ano yung pangalan niya, ano yung designation niya, at yung address na rin ng company kung saan siya belong. Okay? Then, next naman is salutation. Salutation is yung Dear Miss Umake. Let's say something like that. Or, Attention Miss Umake. Pwede mong paglaruan yung salutation, depende, as long as professional siya. Then, greeting, of course. Next is body of the letter. So, ito yung magde-determine kung anong klase ng letter ang ginawa mo. Kasi dun mo malalaman kung ano yung purpose, ano yung reason bakit ka nagsusulat. Okay, so this time, yung purpose natin is to set a meeting or schedule a meeting. Next is yung closing. Yung closing natin is of course, sincerely yours, respectfully yours. Pwede mo rin gamitin yung warm regards, best regards, kind regards. It depends on you. Okay? Then of course, sa baba niyan is your signature over printed name with designation, yung katungkulan mo, and then yung name ng company mo. Okay? So, good tayo dyan. Alright, so next nating guide is kapag actual na tayong gagawa ng letter of appointment. Yung font size na gagamitin natin is preferably size 11 to 12, pero mas maganda gamitin yung 12. Yung font style, mamili kayo sa 5 yan. Pwede Calibre, Arial, Times New Roman, Cambria, at Verdana. So, dito sa letter na gagawin ko, Verdana yung ginamit nating font size. So, check nyo kung maganda, yun yung gamitin nyo. Then, sa font color naman, as always, black yan ha. Huwag natin paglaruan yung papel, yung parang colorful. No, let's stick with one color only, and that is black. Then, paper size, short band paper will do. Pero kung i-discuss mo na yung details ng pag-uusapan nyo sa meeting, medyo mahaba yon. So, pwedeng long band paper, but I suggest really short band paper will do. Okay, dahil dyan, proceed na tayo sa mismong appointment letter sample natin. At sinasabi ko sa inyo, sobrang iksi lang nito. Kaya, simple lang talaga yung ginawa ko. So, yun. Sample lang to ha. Lahat ng details dito sample lang, maliban sa name ni Miss Lani Umakay. So, 18 December 2020, yan yung date natin. Miss Lani Umakay, Sales Coordinator, ABC Company, number 14, Blessed Street, Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City, 1115, Metro Manila, Philippines. Then, yung subject ng ating sulat, which is para saan, regarding or in reference with, of course, yung subject is requesting for meeting appointment. And then, yung ating salutation is, Dear Miss Umakay. Okay, use that same format na nakikita mo sa screen right now. Okay, move na tayo sa body of the letter. So, ganito lang kasimple yung ginawa ko. Babasahin ko na lang in case na medyo malabo sa end mo. So, greetings. This is Nayumi Cee from DEF Company. I am writing this letter to request a meeting with you to discuss the details regarding the upcoming sales project that our company will be launching early next year. Kindly select a date and time as per your convenience. I am looking forward to hearing from you soonest. If you have concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to let me know by sending me a message to 0912-345-6789 or by sending me an email to nayumicee@yahoo.com. And I appreciate your valuable time. Sincerely yours, Nayumi Cee, Sales Manager, DEF Company. So that's how you can create an appointment letter. So, direct to the point ka na agad. Hindi mo na sinabi yung pinaka pag-uusapan nyo sa mismong meeting na yon. Nagbigay ka lang ng brief details, which is discuss details regarding upcoming sales project. And of course, you inform them or you let Miss Umakay what your name is and from what company are you. And then, since ikaw ang nagre-request ng appointment, let her or him select a specific date and time as well as location kung saan kayo magkikita kasi ikaw yung nagre-request so they have to choose. So normally kapag nag-send ka ng letter, magre-reply sila sa'yo in a form of letter as well. And of course, don't forget to include words like, if you have concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to inform me by sending me a message or an email. Para in case na meron siyang additional questions about sa meeting ninyo, pwede siyang or meron siyang way para maging siya sa'yo, mag-get in touch with you, okay? So that's it. Sana may na-share ako. Nga pala, mayroon tayong Facebook page na Nayumi Cee. Kindly visit that page po. Like that page. And then, pwede kayong mag-message sa akin dyan directly if you have questions. Please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And of course, like, share, follow, comment on my videos, turn on notification bell button once you subscribe to my channel. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Nayumi Cee. Wishing you a happy day today. God bless you. And advance Merry Christmas to all of you guys. And Happy New Year na din. Check out my other videos as well. Those are very helpful as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.